if you really have a roof that's been damaged by some sort of storm, okay, and you never file a claim, but a roofer comes to you and says, you know what, I can replace that through your policy. Why wouldn't you do that? Okay. Now, if the fraud is we're going to go up there and we're going to make the roof, we're going to damage the roof ourselves and then make the claim, then that's fraud.
That's fraud.
That's fraud. Okay.
And if somebody had a camera on them and they saw them doing it, I mean, that's big time. You could get big time fee.
Yeah, that's fraud. But what the insurance companies, and it happened a lot with windshield replacement. So if you go windshield replacement concept, you go down the street, a rock hits your windshield. It's supposed to be no deductible to you. They just fix it because it's a safety concern.
Yep.
So what happened was windshield insurance companies were doing the same thing. Hey, and they're advertising if your windshield's cracked, we'll replace it for you free of charge.
Yep.
Well, the insurance companies got upset because companies started doing it, but they really got upset because they weren't charging what, quote unquote, their insurance companies were charging. So instead of $200, they're charging $600-800. Okay. And now they're saying we're paying too much for the service. Well, let's flip it around. Maybe you're paying too little for the service because you're controlling these mom and pop companies and saying it's only worth $200. So maybe someone doesn't want to do the job and make $40 profit. Maybe they think a legitimate profit's something different.
Yeah.
And so they're trying to dictate the market at a fee they want to pay. And so there's a contrary argument to this that needs to be looked at.